Here we are in Barcelona 2014. When I started in Ericsson in 1990, my dream was to sit here and talk about another G, so that took 24 years to make that happen. We were then building base stations for 2G, which we thought was absolutely revolutionary. And I think that the good cooperation and the fantastic achievements that we did in GSM has laid the foundation for just being here. So in that sense, it is exciting and fantastic to be talking about the next G, the 5G. This year here we are celebrating the success of 4G, which is absolutely fantastic. I think there are so many announcements by the whole industry, by all vendors, by all operators to celebrate that. And now we're here to talk about 5G. As you mentioned, the network society is something that I think the whole industry is embracing and understanding from all different kinds of perspectives. The technologies for that will have some key fundamental pillars that are built up in the research work, in the early understandings of what 5G might be. And as Hussein said, we don't know what it is yet, but we're going to research and find out what it's really about. I will give some 3 suggestions or ideas. Of course, frequency is a scarce resource, and with the growth of traffic, 70% quarter on quarter from quarter 3 2012 to quarter 3 2013, even 80% in the fourth quarter. So a dramatic growth in that traffic will make frequency more and more scarce. I've said at some point that frequency will get more scarce than oil in terms of value. And therefore, we need technologies that can use frequencies in other spectrums and so forth. The whole industry is embracing those ideas. Innovation, very important part of this. We have a tradition of innovation in this industry which is built on collaboration. It's not built on one company, it's not built on one person's success, it's built on collaboration between a number of companies, the whole industry coming together. Last but not least, this time we are going to address more than just terminals. Of course, we're talking about the network society, and in the network society, anything that can benefit from having a connection will have one. That means that the ecosystem, as the third point, is going to be more important than ever. We need to invite companies that have not been part of this innovation platform before, the automotive industry, transport, utilities, medical industry, and more and more and more into the innovation around this. We value very much the backing and support from the European Union, from the European Commission to back this kind of research initiative, because it's going to be very broad and it's going to affect all our lives. We're going to have to build the networks of the network society. That's what 5G PPP is all about.